How to change your Outlook profile picture. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to change your Outlook profile picture. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Click on the File tab in the top left corner. Then, under Account Information, click the drop-down to select the email account that you want to update. Take note that if you're using a Gmail account in Outlook, you won't be able to change your profile picture from Outlook. You will need to update it from your Google Settings account. If you're using a Microsoft Teams or Outlook account, you will see your profile photo next to your account name. Click Change under your profile picture, then click Upload a new photo. Select a photo from your computer. Use the slider to crop or zoom your image to your liking. Click Apply to save your changes, and your profile picture will now updated across your Outlook account. And that's it. That's how you can easily update your Outlook profile picture. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.